Hello guys, for this video I'm gonna introduce you how to set up your index page. So first of all you need to have your local root folder. So for me I like to save my local root folder in the Dropbox so I can access this everywhere on different computers. But for the class, if you set up your local root folder on your laptop, so please bring your laptop to the class. Or if you set up your the folder in the class computer, please put in the safe place so nobody could touch your move around your local root folder, because the root folder is really important for your website. You don't want to lose any your data on your in the local root folder. So this time I just put my local root folder in here. It's called 223c underscore class. So for the website, I don't recommend any space between the between the words. So just please put the underscore here. And let's come to the dream. After you set up your local root folder, within that you need your image here, image folder here. So for the subfolder, you don't put any like capital letters here, but just use the lowercase letters. And let's go to the Dream River. After you set up your server successfully, you should get your local root folder, connect to your root folder. I think you already connect your local root folder. So it will show here. And just right click and the new files. After you click the new files, you should get files like this. End with a .html and rename it in indexed. At this time, you need to remember that your indexed words need to be lowercase. Don't put any uppercase. Last time I tried to use an uppercase index, and then it actually won't read on the server and causing problems. So please remember that the name needs to be lowercase. And when you double click that, you should get a blank page with a very basic code here. So this time I already put all the informations I need in the index page. You guys just follow my coding and you will go to go. And starting from the doc type HTML and HTML heading, so please identify your page here within the title. So please put your name, your class. For this part, it will not actually show you all the information on the browser, because the browser won't read this one, but it will title your page. So starting from the body and end with the body, as you can see, that browser will read through and will display all the content. So let's see that starting from the heading 1 is 223c typography into graphic design, and please make sure that all the information you put is correct. So this is a starting point, starting tag, h1 end with the brackets / h1. For h2 the same thing, h3 the same thing, and h2 is your name. And please keep in mind that every tag is correct. And second one is you need to set up your navigation bar. So starting from the nav, end with the / nav. And within the nav, you need to put UL. So this is identified all the the content for the list. And and the list starting with the li and end with the /li. So put your content here, and every single line need to be correct. And for the UL, actually the UL is for the bullet point. If you change to the OL, let's see what we got. And change to the OL, you can see that this one changed to the numbering. So numbering list. So this time I'm asking you to use the UL. So change to the bullet point. After you set up that, the next step is your image. So after the closing nav, starting with your image, so start with the brackets image, img, src is the link to your image. So for this time, for this demo, I'm just using a GIF from the website, but for your website, I need you guys to use your selfie photo in here. So basically just I'm going to show you. So quotation mark, and will gives you a choice. So browse from your image folder. Please put your image in your local row folder and put your image within the image folder. And this time it's a Kimbab, and then click open. So it will actually open that. But for this time I already have that, so I don't worry about that. Yeah, and follow the image, you need to, resize it. So just put a width here with a quotation mark. Don't forget about the quotation mark. And this one I just use a 200 pixel. It actually depends on your image size. So don't use too big image. Just identify the pixel. And for next one, just put HR. This one is a separate line, so separate from the main content and the footer. So this one don't need any closing tags, just bracket HR. And the last one is your copyrights. So copyrights belongs to you. So your name for 2018, that's a date. And the closing body, closing HTML, as you can see. After you put all the coding here, you should get a page like that. And please save it. You can click that it's saved. When it turns to gray, it means that you've already saved your page. And actually you can also preview your page here. Yeah, just click this little icon down here and click it real-time preview, and gives you a choice in browser. So I got Safari and Chrome. So after actually when you set up your website, you need to test your page in different browsers to see the difference, and in order to modify your page in a correct format. So this time I just try Safari, and you can see how it looks on the web. So after you set up your index page like this, please come to the files, and on the very left side is there is an icon that is connect to the remote server. So for this website is X10 hosting for me. So just please connect your server, and when you click it, you will see that the cross mark become the very yellow check mark. It tells you that you connect your server successfully. So for this time, please click the folder and then click the upload. So you are going to upload all your files to the server. And are you sure to wish to put inside entire site? Okay, and we will put all the files to the server. If successfully put all the files in the server, it will disappear. The window will disappear. It will not tell you anything. But if you got errors on that, got any problems, it will display the error here to tells you that sometimes you got error in the coding, or sometimes got any problems, and you need to solve that problems and re-upload that until the window disappear. So it successfully gives you the all the information upload to the server. So after you did that, your server should receive your files. For the external hosting, sometimes it takes a day to upload. That's okay because it's free, so the server actually responds very slow. But for the iPage, I believe that it will much more faster than the X10. So you should just put your domain name in the browser. For my domain name, I have the graphic design 223x10.com, and then hit enter. And will display your index page here, and that means your website is alive. But you need to be patient. So that sometimes the S10 hosting takes longer than you expect. So if you actually don't get any display here, please contact me and gives me your domain name, and I can just come to the page and see what's the problem. And also you can tell me what happened with your website. And for the iPage one, actually for the class website, I'm using the iPage hosting. So for that one, you should be very that iPage service respond very quickly. So after you upload all the files through here, you will automatically just refresh. Sometimes you need to refresh your page, and it will update all the content on your on the page. So this is pretty much all I cover from the last class. Yeah, please make sure everything's correct, because a web design requires you do everything correct, so you won't get any trouble with that. Yeah, when you get any questions, please just shoot me the email. I will give you the right answer, and I will try my best. Yeah, thank you very much for the watching. Have a good day.